Hi everyone, it's Gail and I'm here with a bonus video today. I've got the June Mixed Media Minnesota kit. So I'm super excited to show you some great things in this kit. But as usual, I think we'll start with the paper. Let me move this stuff to the side. Look at this, Stamperia Lilac Flowers. We're going to open this up and take a look at this because I waited until I was with you all. Excuse me, that's so loud. I really should remember to take it out, but then I'm so tempted to be able to look at it. So, okay, let's take a look. Lilac Flowers. Oh my gosh, this looks gorgeous. Let me make sure I'm on camera well there. Oh gosh, yes. Look at the butterflies. This looks like an old postcard. Some damask. I love lilacs. Right now we have like 3 inches of snow out there, so I don't know. All my blooming trees are laying on the ground at this point. So the lilacs, these are the only lilacs I'm going to see for a while is what I'm saying. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, look at these tags. I'm going to have to get out my purple box. And play. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at these little border strips. Those are fun. Oh, you know I love that. The pink and the teal with the purple. It's gorgeous, isn't it? So pretty. Oh, I love that. Ooh. Ooh, ah, ooh. Oh, there it is. There's the TN cover. I love it. And then they've now printed on the fronts and backs, which is such a great idea. See, the front has the butterflies and then the back has the purple with writing. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So let's look at what goes with this. So first of all, there is some rice paper, which is gorgeous. Okay, where to start? We've got Mixed Media Aqua Color. So it's a spray. It's a spray in purple. Oh my gosh, that is lilac. It's lilac. So there's that. And then a little bottle of glossy accents, which I love. That's so fun. Thank you. Okay, brush pen. These are awesome. First of all, they're great for napkins. They don't work quite as well on rice paper because it's so fibrous, but these are great for tearing a napkin. And they're also great for spreading paint, obviously. And watercolor. Oh, that's super fun. I didn't know Stamperia had those. 2 distress crayons, and I'm super excited. These are colors I don't have. Peeled paint and seedless preserves. So distress pens. And then some little flowers. These are from Little Birdie. That's making me pause because I just got an email from Little Birdie wanting me to represent their products. So that's a little weird. But yeah, these are Little Birdie flowers. These flowers are great. Okay. There's a couple of bags. So a couple of white bags to play with. And, oh, there's 3. I'm sorry, that one was buried. So there's those. We've got doilies. Looks like at least 2 doilies. I think 2 doilies. Aren't those pretty? And look at this. some beautiful lace. Oh, that's gorgeous. Maybe from a wedding gown or something. I feel like I should, here, let's just scooch this over for a second so you can see it up against the black. Isn't that beautiful? Ooh, it's so textural too. Oh, that's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, and then last but certainly not least, a Prima mixed media book. Let's look at this. I'm going to open this up and take a peek here. Mixed media paper, it says. Oh, isn't that fun? There's various textures in here. So first page, a couple pages are black. Then there's just some white. It's kind of smooth. And then it goes into a real thick kind of textured paper. We've got some gray. This is more like vellum. This is vellum, yep. Then there's this brown paper, another couple vellum, and then the same thing, obviously, going the other way in the signature. Oh, that is fun. So you have your art journal right there provided for you. So that is the June kit from Mixed Media, Minnesota. And Shannon said she has about 30 of these in the shop. So once again, if you want to get one of these, you need to run right over there because they do sell out quickly. So thanks so much, Shannon, for sharing your June kit and showing us what's in it. I'm so excited to play with some of this stuff. So I hope you enjoyed, everybody, and I hope you're having a grateful day, and we'll just see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.